Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bea, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. Actually, I got this item a few weeks ago, but I didn't have the time to film the video, so I'm sorry about that. And I really want to be a little bit more active on my YouTube channel, but sometimes it's just a little bit, a lot of things going on. But finally I'm here, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the bag it came in, and here's the box. Okay, so I don't know if you have any guesses, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, maybe you will have some guesses, but okay, let's. And to reveal is this gorgeous Chanel 19. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited. This is so beautiful. Actually, if you've been following me for a while, and if you saw my wish list for 2021, I'm gonna link it over here so that you can watch that video in case you haven't seen it. Actually, in that video, I unboxed Chanel Square Mini in the caramel color from the 21P collection, which, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I told you guys that I was hoping to be able to get the Chanel 19 in that same caramel color, but unfortunately, on my country, it was not available. At least, well, my SA couldn't find one for me. I think they only got like one in a larger size, but I'm not sure. And they got the minis, so I got the square mini. So yeah, but then she told me that she got this dark beige from this collection, which, oh my god, I'm so bad with Chanel collections. But I think this is the 21A collection. Please correct me if I'm wrong, because I am not sure. But oh my god, you guys, this color is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the leather feels so smoothie, and it is very beautiful. This color is a little bit more like a taupey color, I must say. It's, yeah, more, it has like a green undertone. I have here my other Chanel 19 to compare the color. Actually, I didn't have the chance to see this bag in person because I don't have the boutique here where I live. So I was a little bit afraid that it was going to be too similar to the one that I already have, which is this one. So here, this is the 20S light beige. So here it is the difference. I've been using this one so much. I love this creamy color, but as you can see, I don't know if it's different leather. I think it is, but this one is a little bit more wrinkly, and it is also a little bit more hard wearing in my opinion. This one feels softer. I think this is lambskin and maybe this is goat skin, but I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. And yeah, here is the difference. I really like it. Loving the Chanel 19 so much. I mean, I think it complements my style very well, because I think it's a little bit more casual, like more relaxed, and I really like that. But especially, well, it holds a lot. This is the smaller size, so it's more like a medium size bag. And I absolutely love this back pocket. This is just a major plus for this bag. I mean, because it's so accessible, and for me it's just so convenient. The interior of the bag, you may already know how it is. It has a zipper pocket. Actually, I have here my authenticity card, and yeah, this is fabric lining, which I would prefer it to be all leather, just because it would be so much easier to clean. But yeah, I haven't had any problems with this one, but it's a little bit lighter. This one is not, well, I didn't see the hype on this color as much as the caramel one, but I'm very glad I got this because I think it's a super beautiful neutral bag. The color is very, very beautiful. And yeah, guys, I've been loving the Chanel 19 so much. As I said, I've been using it like non-stop. I mean, yeah, I love this bag. And nowadays we do like so many things, and I think this is like the contemporary version of the, you know, the emblematic Chanel house. We do so many things, and I think this bag is just that evolution, you know, woman evolution, because it's still very chic in my opinion, but it's more relaxed, more casual. You know, if you've been following me for a while and you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like really, really casual and comfortable outfits, but yet I like to feel stylish and I like to feel feminine. So I think this bag, it's great. I just love it. I love the mixed metals. It gives like such a nice vibe, like super edgy. I really like. And yeah, because I'm all into, you know, chains. I really, really like that kind of jewelry. And yeah, guys, I am very, very happy that I was able to get this piece. Of course, it is super expensive. I mean, I'm not planning to have like a lot of 19 bags in my collection because I still think that the classic Chanel is, you know, a better investment. I buy my bags to use them because I love them and I really, really like to use my bags. I don't like them to be, you know, collecting dust. So this is definitely a bag that I go for it a lot, and I'm very, very glad that I was able to get this beautiful color, because actually I don't have any shade like this in my collection, and I think it's really, really easy to pair with my wardrobe. So yeah, guys, that is going to be everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the section down below. I'll be more than glad to answer all of your questions. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would be very happy if you do that for me. And yeah, guys, that's going to be everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I really hope you have a great day. So see you to my next one. Bye, guys.